Welcome, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of graphic design and pitting two industry-leading platforms against each other, Pictory and Canva. Both of these design tools have gained immense popularity, but which one truly reigns supreme? Join us as we explore the features, functionality, and user experience of Pictory and Canva in this ultimate design platform showdown. When it comes to features and functionality, both Pictory and Canva offer a wide range of tools to empower users in their design journey. Canva, known for its intuitive interface, provides a comprehensive set of design elements, including pre-designed templates, fonts, icons, and stock photos. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it a breeze to create stunning visuals, whether it's for social media, presentations, or marketing materials. On the other hand, Pictory takes a more specialized approach. It focuses on photo editing and manipulation, offering advanced tools for retouching, filters, and effects. Pictory also provides seamless integration with popular image editing software, making it a top choice for professional photographers and graphic designers. User experience plays a vital role in any design platform, and Pictory and Canva have different approaches in this aspect. Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates cater to users of all skill levels. Its intuitive drag-and-drop functionality and simple navigation make it accessible to beginners while providing enough depth for more advanced designers. Pictory, on the other hand, targets a more niche audience. Its interface is sleek and modern, but it may require a steeper learning curve for newcomers. However, once users become familiar with its tools and features, Pictory's advanced capabilities provide a powerful and efficient workflow. Customization and flexibility. Customization and flexibility are key aspects of any design platform, and both Pictory and Canva excel in their own ways. Canva's extensive library of templates allows users to choose from a wide variety of designs, making it easy to create professional-looking visuals in minutes. It also offers a collaborative workspace, allowing teams to work together seamlessly. Pictory, on the other hand, focuses on providing users with precise control over their designs. Its advanced editing tools and layering capabilities enable users to create intricate and highly customized visuals. Pictory's focus on photo editing and manipulation makes it an ideal choice for users who require fine-grained control over their design elements. Pricing and accessibility. Pricing and accessibility are important considerations when choosing a design platform. Canva offers a freemium model, allowing users to access a wide range of features for free, with the option to upgrade to Canva Pro for additional benefits. Canva Pro provides access to a larger library of templates, brand kits, and team functionalities, making it ideal for businesses and professional designers. Pictory offers a different pricing model, with a one-time payment for a perpetual license. This makes it a more cost-effective option for users who prefer a single upfront payment rather than a recurring subscription. However, it's worth noting that Pictory's pricing may not include access to additional features and templates that Canva Pro offers. And there you have it, a closer look at Pictory and Canva, two remarkable design platforms with their own unique strengths. Ultimately, the choice between Pictory and Canva depends on your specific design needs, skill level, and preferences. Whether you value ease of use and versatility or advanced photo editing capabilities, these platforms have something for everyone. Remember, both Pictory and Canva offer free trials, so don't hesitate to explore them firsthand and see which one resonates with your design style. Happy creating, and may your designs shine with creativity and impact.